again, welcome back to our channel, the Big King family. Today I will be coming to you with another cleaning video. I just recently stopped working, but no matter what, I always have so much to do. So today, let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna get done as much as I can today. That's all I can do because my dinner is on cooking, and I'm still tending to my grandbaby and my son at the same time. So, and a couple of my daughters are here with me, so I'm gonna just try to straighten up the kitchen side. Yeah, when they do be off work or not doing different things, they do help with the cleaning. But today I'm gonna tackle the kitchen. Okay, I wouldn't say it's nasty, but it's just a lot. We have a lot of stuff. My goal is like this countertop is not really a big goal of mine today. I really want to tame the top of the refrigerator. This cabinet right here, I really want to organize it. And yeah, I want to clear off this countertop right here and everything else, and then wash those few dishes that's in there. Okay, and also this cabinet right here with all the plastic goods and stuff, and I want to reorganize it, and I probably can organize it to the point where I can get a lot of stuff that's on the countertops, you know, up in these cabinets right here. Okay, you guys? The other day, y'all know that we did a big Sam's Club haul, so we got a whole lot of drinks right here. First, I'm gonna wipe out my refrigerator and stock it up with drinks. Okay. Okay, you guys, I fixed my husband his plate. I did some baked barbecue chicken, and I put the water on. My husband threw the rice on when he got in here. We like to do buttered rice with a little sugar in it. So this is what we're gonna eat for dinner, and then I want to keep on pushing on. I told you guys I'm just gonna try to get done what I can this evening. We're gonna move slow. Whew, I'm still working on the door of the refrigerator. I hate when they put these half bottles in here. I'll just pour them out. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of the refrigerator. I always leave a little room in the middle over this on this side right here for leftovers. And I put plenty of drink in there. All our cheeses and meats are at the bottom of the refrigerator. Plenty of drink, Diet Coke, the cranberry juices, the essential waters. That's my grandbaby Junior Bud. All of our condiments and stuff right there. Cheese and butter, some water and Powerade, and some iced drinks. Look, it's a couple toilet flow right here. All right, you guys, let me tell y'all how my day went. All right, you guys, it is the end of my day. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. And as y'all see, I did get the refrigerator cleaned and restocked with stuff to drink. And I just kind of reorganized the refrigerator. I didn't get everything that I wanted to get done, as y'all can see. Like all those countertops and stuff. Ooh, I didn't get the countertops and stuff done like I really want. Miss Yolanda was moving slow today. So while I was stocking the refrigerator out and cleaning the refrigerator out, I was tending to Doonabug and helping with the grandbaby and cooking for my babe, my husband. And then we ate dinner on top of that when he got home. And, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on in between. So we're going to pick up on this vlog. Hopefully we can pick up on it. I don't know for sure. But I do plan on getting everything cleared out, cleaned up. Still got a lot of drinks left. All the drinks can fit in the refrigerator, of course. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, I love getting the refrigerator cleaned out, neat, and ready to roll. And washed a few dishes. I didn't even get to the cabinet that I wanted to get to, the 2 cabinets. So, yeah, moving slow today. Thank you guys for joining me. And before I get off of here, these right here, I'm gonna pop a picture up. So these right here, and these are the milk chocolate brownie crunch cookies. They taste just like the Girl Scout tag-along cookies. So if you like those tag-along Girl Scout cookies, you'll love these from Sam's Club. They're from Sam's Club. And they are good. You're really supposed to get them and give them out as gifts, but we might do that though, because some people really enjoy these. All right, you guys, giving you an update on one of them snacks. These taste really good. They really do. That'll probably be my after dinner snack. I'll probably eat 3 or 4 of these cookies. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for listening. And until next time, my YouTube family, stay blessed. Oh, a special thanks to everybody that's really been watching our videos and coming back and hanging out with us, you know, since I just got back started, you know, really pushing out videos more often. All right, I really appreciate it. I really do.